Hello guys from Iacopelli, welcome back! Sorry, that's scary, I know. I need to calm down sometime. But I'm super excited because we got some soft and crunchy focaccia. Soft and crunchy special pizza. This video, guys, it's special. If you follow me for a long time, I did already a review about these electric pizza ovens, which is, I believe, these are the most intense, probably the best in the market. But these ovens are electric. You're going to be surprised after you watch this video. And I want to thank Pizza United for sending me this beast to my house. And today we are here. This is super hot, but I'm here to show you the art of pizza. Let's see if this pizza oven will pass my test of soft and crunchy in the same time. Let's go ahead, smash the like, watch until the end, and see you in a little bit. Okay, now finally I finished to make my focaccia. Voila, a little bit of olive oil. Voila, it's been resting. Look at this, sound nice and soft. And guys, of course, if you want to see how to make this recipe, I'm gonna put in the description the full recipe. But if you want to see it, how it's made, comment below and then I'll make it, because this is a special focaccia whole wheat, so it's special. So now let's go ahead in the oven. Let's set up the oven at 350 on top, 250 on the bottom, and it's ready to go in the oven. Voila. I almost forgot. Now, the time that it's cooked, let's prepare all the toppings to make the pizza, because we are here to make the pizza, guys. The special pizza dough. Also, this is made with the whole wheat, but I'm gonna make it super easy, simple, and special. So make sure you watch until the end, subscribe, and enjoy. And only after 10 minutes, the focaccia, it's ready. Ooh, nice. Wow, look at this, it's bubbling. Smells outstanding, and especially cook really fast. So what we're gonna do here now, I'm gonna let it rest, sit. This way the olives and the rosemary goes inside the focaccia, and then we are able to taste it. In the meantime, let's go ahead, let's make the pizza. But let's go ahead, let's set up the oven at 450 Celsius the top and 350 the bottom. And of course, like you can see here, we are cooking with the biscotto. Just put it on top. That also comes out with this pizza oven. Let's go ahead, let's wait about 10 minutes that the oven goes up in temperature. Like you can see, you can even touch the top, it doesn't get burned. That's how you know that it's really good and insulated. Trust me, the pizza oven is hot. Let's get ready with the pizza, and let's test this pizza oven with my own pizza dough. And here we go, guys. We're gonna make a super simple and special pizza, because it's just olive oil, tomato sauce, and fresh oregano. This is when you want to test the oven, or you want to test just the pizza dough. So we just make it as simple as possible. So let's go ahead, let's get the dough. Actually, first, let's put some nice semolina on the bottom. Right here, nice. Let's get the dough. Like you can see, it's nice and puffy. Let's go ahead and let's press all the air to the crust. Gently. We're gonna leave a nice crust, take off all the flour, and now it's time to go ahead and press the air more to the crust. Press hard, take off all the air, and voila, the pizza dough, it's ready, nice and strong. So look at this, we got just fresh tomato. Open the can, we're gonna put like a nice extra amount of tomato like that, and then we're gonna go ahead and put a nice like a base of tomato. We don't want to see the dough. We go a little bit on the crust. Now we put a nice amount of fresh oregano everywhere, and then garlic, olive oil. Voila, a nice amount of olive oil. Now let's go ahead and let's test this pizza oven. Put it on top of the peel. Make sure you make a nice big pizza. Here we go. Ready to go in the oven. We just open up and place the pizza in the oven. Voila, boom. Close the oven right away. Let's wait 1 minute. Like exactly wood burning pizza oven. Okay guys, the pizza after 1 minute, it's lovely ready. Boom, the smell, it's insane. Let me get you some details here. Wow, So here again we are testing the pizza oven, not the dough or everything else. It's a little bit brown. Take a look. I didn't turn it, I didn't do anything, I just put it there 1 minute exactly. Let's check out the bottom of the pizza. Take a look, guys. It's insane. It's nice, perfect, and crunchy. Soft and crunchy. That's what I'm talking about. So in the meantime, I'm gonna let it cool down because this smells insane. The focaccia, oh my god, is also really good. That's what come out from this electric pizza oven. Insane. Now is the best part, to taste. If it's not cooked properly, guys, the focaccia doesn't come out right. So let's go ahead and let's cut. Oh my god. I'm gonna give a nice cut here. 3, 2, 1, and take a look of, let's put it together right there. Take a look what I'm talking about. It come out nice, it's cooked, it's a sponge texture, but the most is the taste. I want to taste it. I want to go ahead and taste right now before cutting the pizza. I mean, look at this, insane. Wanya, please, please, get this face, get her face. Here, one for you, one for you. Oh. Get your face right there. Taste. Guys, let's go ahead. Let's see the pizza now. Even the pizza. I want to show you the bottom because this is what we are talking about here. Is the crust. I mean, this is the slice of pizza. It come out nice, crunchy, nice and crispy on the bottom. You can never tell that this pizza was cooked in an electric oven. Let's go ahead and let's taste if this. Let's see if this oven will pass the test. When assaggiate anche questo per piacere. Taste this one too. Get this way. Taste.
Buonissima.
Your turn. Give me this camera right here. That's what I'm talking about, guys. The goal of this channel is to make people happy with the most simple thing, most simple recipe, most simple way to make the pizza, technical and everything. After this, guys, go ahead, subscribe, share with friends, and I'll see you every week with the new video.